Hello, my name is Bibisara, and today my research is going to be about Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza is one of the biggest pizza delivery service in the world, and it was established in Michigan in 1960, which operates in more than 90 countries and has more than 20,000 locations in the world. So it is known for it is a very strong, solid reputation by emphasizing convenience, delivery, and quality, technological innovation in its ordering and delivery process. So today I'm going to be exploring some key areas of this analyze, industry and market analyze. So I'm going to deep into SWOT analyze, and I'm going to review some financial performance and competitive positioning, also strategic recommendations in the end of the presentation. So market and industry analyze. Market trends is very important for every company. Understanding the market trends. When it comes to Domino Pizza, so the trend is online food delivery and contactless services. After COVID-19, over the past few years, um, ordering online and working from home is very popular because it is firstly safe and convenient and fast. So increased focus on health conscious and plant-based many options. Now people are becoming more conscious about their choices, not only about the food but also when it comes to their what they wear, what they drive, what they consume. So yeah. um Customer segmentation, the dominant mostly consumers are like young adults generally, because it is affordable and fast and convenience. People like young people, they usually order for parties, birthdays, um, and it is located in big cities, in crowded places, also in suburbs. So yeah. Competitive positioning. How strong is Domino's compared to other pizza places? Domino is staying on the top of their competitors because of it is strong digital leadership, because the Domino has a perfect app where you can choose your own menu, and it's very easy to order. You can also track your order and deliver innovation. So, price competitiveness and loyalty programs differentiate from its rivals like Pizza Hut and Papa John's. Whenever when you order the pizza online, so it offers you to earn points, and when you earn enough points, so you'll get a free pizza for the other time. It's very, very good promotion, I think, for people. And it has also very big rivals, including Pizza Hut, Papa John's, and local pizza shops, plus food delivery apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and that deliver all kinds of food. The financial analyze. Domino Pizza has a very strong financial, health. In 2023, Domino's revenue was 4.54 billion, and it had 542 million in operating cash flow. So also Domino's debt is 5.7 billion, but most of it long term and manageable considering their strong cash position. It like Domino is able to invest it in technology, new stores, and marketing campaigns. Profitability last year, Domino's made about 1.71 billion in gross profit and ended up with 402.5 million in net income. Their net profit margin was roughly 8.9%, which is strong compared to most of their fast food competitors. So also, since over 98% of the Domino's stores are franchise it, they keep operating costs low and enjoy steady profit. But um, Domino has a very high buybacks. In total, Domino spent over 230 million on share buybacks in 2024, which I would say that the weakness of the Domino's. Um, Strategic recommendations using a SWOT. The first that I have noticed of the Domino's Strange, it is digital ordering and delivery systems plus a powerful global brand. Because when I visit the Domino's store, it has a lot of cars for the delivery, and yeah. So my recommendations is keep leading in technology by investing in new delivery innovations like AI, robots, and drones to stay ahead of the competitors because drones make easy delivery and faster. So AI helps to determine people's preferences. So and cut the employment weaknesses. Domino's has a high level of debt from past stock buy packs, and my recommendation is focus on managing debt better, slow down by backs, and use extra cash to invest in operating and global wars. Opportunities. Opportunities, growing demand for a healthier and plant-based menu option, huge potential for expansion in emerging markets in Asian countries, in Africa. For example, in Central Asia, we don't have a Domino's pizza. Recommendations, launch more healthier pizzas and plant-based menu items, open more stores internationally, adjusting menus to local tastes. Also, yeah, and threats, intense competition from other fast food brands and food delivery apps, rising costs for ingredients and labor. My recommendation is differentiate Domino's with loyalty programs, value deals, better customer experience, and to defend market share. Work on better supplier relationship to manage ingredient costs. Implementation plan. So the first plan, it's focusing on technology investment, expanding AI. So Domino app can create a chatbot where people can order like it's like in a real life in order like just pressing some features because for if person enters the app for the first time, it takes a little bit time to understand the app for some people, and I think it can easy with the chatbots and some app features like Siri, where you can talk um, with AI and uh, according to your preferences, so AI can determine your choice and your order. And deliver innovations start in 2025, ongoing through in 2027. And menu expansion, as I told earlier, like people are more careful about their choice. So Domino can add some healthier ingredients like olive oil, some seeds, special seeds like, for example, losing a fat, fresh vegetables, and vitamins. Uh, as me, for example, I go to gym every time and I eat pizza only once a month because I afraid like in like gaining more fat. So if the Domino would have like more options for, I mean, do not getting fat, I would definitely would visit like every second day. Fox store, opening in Asia, Africa, starting Q4 2025 with 100 plus new stores by the end 2027, and reduce stop buybacks and prioritize debt payment. So key performance indicators increase digital orders by 20% by the end of 2026 and launch at least 5 new plant-based menu items by 2026. It can be salad or some special pizzas with very healthy seeds, or with, let's say, with pumpkin seeds. Open 100 plus new stores international by 2027 and reduce debt to equity ratio by 10% by 2027 and grow overall revenue by 8 and 10% annually. So my conclusion is here, Domino is financially strong, has powerful brand. Domino is like ahead of his competitors, but still, the Domino has to focus on its advancing the AI and technology and expanding it and focusing on the healthy food. So thank you. Oops.